Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out now. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. He made it, guys. Prime Day is fast approaching. You can jump ahead of them right now. Get this good one on sale. Oh. There we go. Coming from Bluedee. Bluedee. Bada boom. Really nice looking soundbar for your PC gaming soundbar. Oh yeah. Definitely going to be testing out on my computer in a few. Alright. Let's get this open. Let's get it going. But definitely check these guys out. Bluedee. Get the manual. We don't need that. This will be a nice little graduation gift to somebody. Birthday gift. Jump ahead, Christmas gifts, you know. Father's Day is coming also. So you guys got different options right there. Oops. Oh, this is nice. Maybe hook it up to a laptop. Anything with the USB. Ooh. Got a RGBs light strip. Here's the back. They got the stoppers right here, so they don't slide. Just remove the tip right there. Go. And the volume controls right there. Pretty simple. Oh, you gotta push it in. Okay, well, next we're gonna hop into my room. Alright. Guys, here it is. We got it all set up now. Sounds really good. Got the RGBs on the side. Soundbar. On this side, if you want to shut it off, one push, turn it back on. Turn it up a little bit more. You have your headphone jack right there. Man, it sounds really good though. I think it's under 50 bucks. Alright guys, here you have it. Bluedee Gaming Soundbar. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good weekend.